Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about one of the most misunderstood topics in weight loss. Every year, millions of people start a new diet with high hopes. They cut calories, spend hours exercising, and try to stay motivated. For a few weeks, everything seems to be working. Then something happens. The cravings come back. Energy levels drop, the motivation disappears, and eventually, most people find themselves right back where they started. The question is, why? Why do so many diets fail even when people are genuinely trying their best? The answer may surprise you. Because weight loss is not just about eating less. It's about understanding how your body uses energy. And that's exactly what we're going to discuss today. By the end of this video, you'll understand why traditional diets often fail, what ketosis really is, how the ketogenic approach works, common mistakes people make, and how to make the process much easier. So let's get started. Now that you understand how the ketogenic approach works, you probably realize that the biggest challenge isn't knowing what keto is. The real challenge is knowing exactly what to eat each day and staying consistent. That's where most people struggle. If you'd like a done-for-you keto meal plan that includes meals, recipes, shopping lists, and step-by-step guidance, I've placed more information in the description below. Take a look if you're interested. Whether you decide to use it or not, I hope this video helped you better understand how keto works and how it may fit into your health journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.